tonight that I'm doing. And I'm going home and relax. Tomorrow I'm going to burn some steel and get that done. And fix my ice chopper, which is in 2 pieces right now. So with no further ado, if I can lift this up. I didn't buy this for my garage. I bought this to leave at my house because I keep bringing tools back and forth to my garage. And I know I say this, I'm going to eat my words. I'll probably bring it back here and use it. But this is cool. How about it? Big red box. I bought this thing. It's a Craftsman. What does it say? 250 something piece. Craftsman 256 piece SAE metric toolkit. Let me put the camera down and see if I can show you this. This is the box. Comes with cardboard wrapped all around it. Somehow get this off here. Oh, look at that. I don't know if it's lifts off or what. Let's go like this. Alright, let's go like this. This is the what it comes with. Hit pause, start reading. Like it's pretty cool. Here's a picture of. And before I forget, I did get a deal on this. It was regular $149. It was on sale for 99 bucks. And my brother works at Lowe's, and he had his little 20% off. And I would have got 10% off with a VA discount, veterans discount. But he got me 20% discount, and before the tax it was like 75 bucks. $99 for a little tiny sucker. So I was like, you know what? Got this one. It's even comes with a up to 25% thinner. This thing right here. Bunch of cardboard. I'm gonna actually keep this cardboard because I can use to make pattern. In fact, I have to go home and get a cardboard for that machine. This was inside it. There's a. That's what it looks like. Use this for my thumbnail later. Wrapped around it, and let me turn it around so I can show you. I wish the lid lift up. So you get this giant, ridiculous, blow molded case, and I'm dropping shit on the floor here. And this comes out of here like so. It comes out. Kind of like this stuff. I'll go like this. It's got 2 drawers. You don't need to see them come out. It's kind of bulky. It's kind of. I'll have to admit it. Like if you want to hold it, it's off to the side and it's gonna slide into your leg. But this is cool. It comes out of here. Comes with some Allen keys, which flop open like that. They don't look very. Oh, wait a minute, there's more here. And then there's some more Allen keys on the bottom. It's just the Allen keychain kind of thing. There's on the bottom here. Let me put this down a little. There's that one. Fits in there. Comes with a red piece of cardboard. Some more Allen keys. On this side, these are, let me see. What are these? These are standard Allen keys. SAE, you want to call it. Good because it's got big finger holes in here. Stick your fat nubs in there. Got a bunch of. Oh, this is cool. Hey, somebody thought about it. Come out like that, which is pretty cool. I'm not a big tool geek, so I don't know how all this works. And wow, that's kind of cool, little fat blob there of whatever this is. Yeah, little socket thing. Comes with all these little driver bits, if that's what they're called. At least I hate these things. Like, you put them in there, they all fall out. Here's the one everyone's gonna lose because. That one will be gone in a couple weeks. It's just going to jump out 10mm socket. The standards here comes with the screwdriver, which honestly, it's a nice rubber finish, but this, I don't know. I like hard plastic. I like the hard plastic. I'm not a fan of the big rubber. Lots of bits that I'm never going to use. It's got a drawer. It says drawer number 1. Don't forget drawer number 1. Has a little, hard to get out. Low profile CMMT, whatever. I wonder if this is the same one in the little box I have. I don't know how many teeth. It doesn't say how many teeth are on it. So, little ratchet on that one. That's just level. We're at Lowe's. I guess they were dumping there. I don't know if does this thing lock thing? See, this could be a problem too carrying this around, because is the drawer gonna fall out? Like, is this drawer just gonna, like, it's got a handle on it, but is the drawer gonna slide out and end up with tools all over your frickin' lap? This section, ratchets, these are all 12, 14, 50. Where the hell's the 10 long one? 3/4 inch, 11, 16, 5/8. There's some wrenches, 12 millimeter, 11 millimeter. Oh, 10 millimeter. Do people lose 10 millimeter wrenches or just sockets? There's a 10 millimeter in here, which is, I assume, waiting to be lost. That's what I think, I don't know, 1/4 inch, I guess. Nice. Big fat ratchet. Big fat ratchet. Oh, it sounds wonderful. Like, I don't know anything about ratchets. What am I doing? No, I mean, just for a homeowner. For a homegrown person who's... I'm not going to buy a Snap-on set. I mean, I probably have some Snap-ons that fell out of the sky and were given to me, but it's a CMMT 86722, whatever. They have a nice feel. Nice chrome. They are a little bit... If you look at these things, they're a little bit sloppy looking. Like they're... Well, like, what are they doing over there? Like they come in here all tainted. 15 16ths. I guess that's not half inch, is it? 1/4 inch? I don't know. 1/4 inch drive. It's got one extension. That's it. A little small. That's kind of sad. Should have at least one bigger extension. But it's got all the sockets. Goes from 19, 18 down to 10 millimeter, 1/4 inch, all the way up to 3/4 inch. So, not bad. Got a 1 inch, which is odd to see in here. 1 inch with a small little squarey hole there. So it's not bad for the price. I'm not complaining, because my sockets are in the right place. Comes in that overpriced blow molded case, which... I mean, if you're going to put it, let's just say, what's good about this is if you're going to put on your bench, if you're a home hack, you don't want to spend thousands of dollars on tools, and it has a guaranteed for life warranty for right now, because the minute they go out of business again, there'll be no guaranteed for life warranty anymore. So, not bad. Do I trust this over... what do you call it? Harbor Freight brand? Well, you have to think about it, because if you buy it at Harbor Freight, they're not perfect, but Harbor Freight, if you snap the thing, you can bring it back and they'll replace it with you. So, they got a full warranty, but I like red boxes. I like the red box. I think people, even me, I'll admit it, we like a name brand tool, and we expect something with a name brand. Does it mean anything? I don't think names mean anything much anymore, except for a few companies, like for example, in the last video, like this Nipex tool. This is a name brand where, you know, they did a little engineering and then just sent it to China. It's made in Germany. There's some quality definitely built into this tiny little, very pricey tool. Craftsman, yeah, they used to have quality, used to have production facilities and people working on cool tools. I think now there's the guy in China going, I like that, spit it out on the thing, and, you know, and then on the same assembly line, all the shit from Harbor Freight, and you just gotta figure out what quality control you want rather than what quality of tool. Like, you want it all fine sanded, we'll do that for you for an extra 20 cents. Oh, you want it a little polished here, we'll do another 20 cents. You want it, then, you want different metal, we'll do another 20 cents. And there's, it's still usable, but I think the stuff coming out of China is just like, they work, it does the job, but there's no There's nobody really like, let's make a really good tool that's made in China and let's make it like they do in Germany. Instead, it's just, well, we have the production capacity. We have an army of people to do it. Let's just make it. And honestly, I think some of the things in China are made to like a decent standard. And to be honest with myself, I don't know which tools are. But I mean, it depends on use. Like if you, I prefer buying things that will last me a lifetime. These, I don't do a lot of work, so they're going to last me my lifetime for the work that I do. If I start abusing them, hey, they're not going to last. I'm not going to, if I start abusing them and ranking on with a giant, breaker bar, clearly I'll break a Snap-on, I'll break a Harbor Freight one, I'll break a Craftsman. But if I use it just for tinkering in my garage, it's fine with me. If you're a professional mechanic and you keep using tools and your screwdriver wears out, well, maybe a Snap-on's good. Maybe a $13,000 bill on a Snap-on truck is better for you. But for me, a blow molded box with 250 pieces of tools, with my other one that is probably lost 10 pieces in there, it's probably in there somewhere, it's fine with me. So if you like listening to me rant about red boxes, don't forget to like, subscribe. Try to watch more of my videos because I need watch time and I don't have a huge budget to buy all this shit. My video is sponsored by my wallet, which is usually empty most of the time. So, because, I got to buy my kids food. It's terrible. I got to buy kids food. Everyone else freaking doesn't take care of their kids. So, but I do. On that note, thanks for watching my videos. If you watch it to the end, I appreciate it. Good night, good riddance. I hope you had a wonderful Monday and enjoyed my little review of this thing. You will see me actually use more stuff. I will be doing more of my videos. Lately, I've just been too damn busy, so I apologize for boring you with tool videos because I'd rather be working and trying to figure out how to record what I'm doing. Because making videos is not just pointing a camera. You got to figure out how to record it and make it interesting for you guys. So I hope my ramblings are interesting. Thanks. Click buttons. Thanks for watching.